Hello Gemini, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is, the weekly reading, career, business and money reading for the week of July 27th to August 2nd. So let's see Gemini, what the cards have in store for you in this week. The High Priestess in reverse. So it's talking about when it is like, you need to go slow. There are hidden things. It's a warning card. There might be strained relationships or strained, maybe at office the atmosphere might be strained. So go slow. There definitely, there is something hidden. You need to compromise on certain situations. This is what I feel with the High Priestess card in reverse. Seven of Pentacles. So you are feeling tired, you are feeling confused, you have done a lot of work, but at times you are losing that track and you feel low energy, you are feeling tired, you do not know what to do and how to go about certain things. Maybe it is a compromised financial condition that has caused you this stress. With this High Priestess in reverse, and so I feel it's like that way for some of you here. So this is not for all, it is for some of you here. What you can do is you can seek guidance from the super divine forces. It will help you. You can meditate, you can do yoga, so it helps. Page of Swords. So definitely something new, you coming in, maybe there is a small recognition or a hike at your workplace, there could be an increase in the salary, or it could just be a recognition and an award for some of you here. Also with this card, with the Page of Swords, I feel that there could be small legal matter that could end in your favor, or it will be solved, Gemini. This is what in your favor. So it will be a big relief for you, and maybe it will get you some money also with this Page of Swords energy. Ten of Pentacles. So you are now trying to spend time with family, cut down your stress. You are more tolerant and you are available to people whom with you work as well as your family. So it's a balance that you are trying to create with family as well as work. I feel also it could talk about you investing money, your family money, or you are investing it by rentals, leases, bond, shares, stock market. So it talks about investing in family and also taking care of family here. So you need to take, there may be some issues which you need to take care of your family here. So this is what it talks about, but you're doing it well now. Let me pull one more card and then we'll see the angel guidance card. So King of Rods. Finally, Gemini, you are feeling like a little better than your previous weeks, than your recent past. You are emotionally feeling better now. Maybe because you have become more tolerant, and people around you really like the new way you have taken an approach to, so even that makes you happy, that makes you satisfied. So you are the King of Rods energy here. You are, now what is your focus and how to, go about. You have a backup plan for everything. So it's a very nice energy, Gemini, here. Now let me just pull up a angel guidance card for this week, and we will see that what the angels need. This guidance will help you sail through this week at work, business and money. Okay, legends. Learn from those who inspire you. So this is the legend card. So learn from those who inspire you. So this, we all look up to someone who really inspires us, and we follow their footstep. So beautiful card, and this will help you. So think of a legend whom you are really inspired, and you can pull up this week really well, Gemini. So all the best, and thank you for taking your time out to watch this video. Please put a like if you do like my readings and it resonates with you, and do subscribe to my channel. So thank you once again.